Hi guys, Ralph here. Oh, blimey, it's a warm one up here. So warm. I've got a second use for my 22, well, for the 22 volt Ambra project. I've used it. I've rigged up a couple of fans. You can't see, they're over there. The case fans, 12 volt case fans. At the minute, running 15 volts, but they're quite good at 24. Won't last very long. So yeah, let's keep that down a little bit. Right, still got the cold. I've been shopping, and this isn't it. First off, I bought some, came this morning from Amazon. Bag in a bag in a bag. Come on. I'll put an on it mode for this. Oh. Right, there we go. Thank you. Don't want to see Ralph not be able to open anything. Right, I've got some very thin solder. This is supposed to be 0.3 mil. If I can get into it. Let's get my scalpel, try and stab myself. Aha. Now this is for the Xbox. Look at the thinness of that. That's pot paste apparently. Right, I use this stuff. Can you tell the difference? Wow. I mean, that's just going to go straight away, but ridiculous how. You don't even see that properly, can you? There you go. The difference on thickness. Really thin. But I'm going to try and do something with the Xbox. There's absolutely no guarantees it's going to work. This is a pop flux that came with it. Cheap enough with the flux. They're not. It's just, I'm not opening that. I'm in that mood. I actually had an epiphany yesterday. I was trying to fit some files from a computer onto a memory stick, and I've never had problems before with what I've had. And I've had same cruisers as these, the 16 gigs, and I just couldn't fit what I wanted to on them. So I've bought two 64 gigs. It might have been better to buy 128, but I use more 64s to be honest. I got one in car for a media and stuff, so these are doing me fine. Really cheap on Amazon at the minute. Really, memory's really shooting down in price. Don't know why. Right, watch this. He's watching. One Xbox. Yob. One Xbox. Mine. Western Digital Philips. Hooray! I went shopping. Yeah, on eBay yesterday. Bought this off him. Two different hard drives, Seagate. Hey, what's the H? Hitachi, yeah. So, black one. Different system. But, it's an Xbox. Apparently this one is already chipped, but the chip doesn't work. So I might be able to work on something. But I want your opinion on that. Yes, you're alright. You're seeing double. Stand that over here for a minute. I have two crystal Xboxes. Now the problem is, this one was mint. Very dark. There you go. This one was mint. Nothing. It had never been opened. Needed a good clean, good fettle. This one also has never been opened. And I'm in two minds whether or not to open this or not. But I don't know. I need to find out what exactly these are. Whether or not they're, if this is a 1.6, then I can do exactly the same. I'll try not to do exactly the same as what I did on this one. So, but yeah, never ever. But there's a scratch on it. It's not entirely mint, is it? But with having three of the buggers, I'm going to have some fun with Xboxes. I mean, I know the original one that I got had a problem called me who attacked it. So at the minute, I saw these working. This is absolutely spot on. The Crystal Xbox works perfect, no problems at all with it. The other one, he said you had to press that to get the power button, the eject for the power button. But I don't know. Maybe I could take the board out of the black Xbox and put it in the other Crystal, and still keep this one. But I need to test the other Xbox at the minute to see whether or not it works or not. Last video was a bit of a disaster. I think I went a little bit overboard. So yeah. I also got with this, the guy gave me a infrared receiver, no remote control, but I might be able to use that for something. And for some reason, a 360 controller. I have one of these upstairs on the computer, better condition than this, but I might be able to use it for something. It's a bit grubby. It's in need of a strip down. Doesn't need a new cable on it. It's fine. These are damn good clean, I think. But yeah, that's my news. I'm gonna have a go look at these now. See if I can find out what version these are, and I'll get another video going. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.